Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has reached Parliament with that tablet in that red case. This, remember, replaced the quintessential briefcase. She's met with President Draupadi Murmu. Those are visuals coming in from inside Rashtrapati Bhavan as Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, along with MOS Finance Pankaj Chaudhary, met with the President of India. They've both reached Parliament now, and Prime Minister Modi has also reached Parliament. The budget will be presented, like I said, in an hour from now. My colleague Aishwarya sent us this report.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has just arrived at the Parliament, and there you can see in the visuals, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has just arrived, and she is now entering the Parliament premises over here along with MOS Finance Pankaj Chaudhary from Makardwar. She is entering the Parliament premises, and there you can see in the visuals Nirmala Sitharaman, who is set to set to pronounce the budget for 7th straight time, and this is Modi government 3.0 first budget. Nirmala Sitharaman, there you can see in the visuals, as far as the budget is concerned, she will be presenting it, and just behind me in the visuals it is Finance Minister along with MOS Finance Pankaj Chaudhary. She presented the economic survey yesterday, and today, after leaving from Finance Ministry, she likely headed to Rashtrapati Bhavan, and from there now she has reached to the Parliament, and the Cabinet now will be approving this budget, after which at 11 a.m. It would be Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman who will be presenting the budget inside the Parliament. All expectations from the budget, as far as income tax is concerned, as far as the share for the states of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh is concerned as well. Now Nirmala Sitharaman has entered from Makardwar inside the Parliament, and from here the Cabinet will be approving the nod of the Union budget.